So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Finally, Cleva has verified my account. Yes, in case you just joined me, last time I talked about how you can create a Cleva foreign account so that you can receive your USD in within 24 hours, because I created it and within 24 hours I was verified and I was here in my dashboard. So today I'm going to be requesting a USD account. Let's see how it goes. So when you open your phone or your laptop and you've been verified, then this is what you do. Go straight to account. But before that, I said something. I said, check the description of this video in case you want to create a Cleva account. Follow the link in this video, then open your Cleva account with it. It makes it more easier for you. So now said that, now I want to move on to this place called open a USD. So I'm going to click on that. Let's see what we have. Then it's going to take me to another page, which I think is not difficult to understand. So we have create a USD account. So we're going to click on create, then account created successfully. Now we're going to view the account and we have this. So you can see it's active with no money inside. Yes, but in no time soon, I'm going to get a lot of money added to the Cleva. I love the transaction rate. It seems it's better. Let's just hit at the home. But before that, let's check our account detail and see what's there. Now, the minimum deposit you can receive is 1.5. That means if you want to send me money, it should be up to $1.5. Then the maximum is $4,000. Yes. So over here now I have my account name. Here I have the bank, which is Wells. Then the account name, number, we have the routine number, we have the SWIFT code, the account type, and address. Yes, one beautiful thing is this one only offer you a USD account. But when it comes to GigPay, they give you lots and lots of accounts, same as Gray.co. Yes, and Gray gives you 3 currency, same as GigPay, and I explained the difference between Gray and GigPay. One thing I've seen, it's Cleva, the minimum you can receive is 1.5, but Gray you can receive anything that comes in, any money that comes in, and the transaction fee is 1%. Yes. Then for GigPay, you can receive anything that comes in, but your minimum withdrawal is $5. And the fixed rate for withdrawal of their fixed charge rate is $1.5. So now we know this. I believe you can differentiate between this and this and this. In case you want to open a GigPay account, you want to have multiple foreign account, you can click on the link at the description on how to create and verify your GigPay and Gray account. Then you have 3, just like me. So now we have this. We want to see other things we can do. We've created our stuff. Then we have the transfer. Then we're going to see on the stuff. We're going to eat on. Okay, we're not transferring recipient. Let's see what's there. Then over here you can decide to ask for card. You see their card level, there are more stuff you can do. So by now let's just check the settings and see what we have here, if there's any settings, if we can add our bank details and some other stuff. So display name, this is what we see as the display name. This is beautiful. This is a personal information. You can see country of residence, phone number, and some stuff. You want to check the card and see if, okay, you can freeze your card. Let's say the security, transaction pin remains transaction pin. So when money come, I believe there should be a place on how to withdraw from this place. But since we don't have money, you cannot transfer. And at the place of transferring, they will tell you to add your local bank account. Like Nigeria, we can call the Access Bank, we'll call them First Bank, Union Bank, United States, Zenith Bank, FCMB, Keystone, and all bank you can mention and you can mention. So guys, I believe you understand what I've just said. So if this is your first time of joining me on my YouTube channel, I remain Austin and I want you to subscribe to my channel so that you can support. Just hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, as you can see on anywhere there, then you get notified when I make other videos that are related to this. Then if you want full mentorship on Amazon KDP, for those guys who are in Amazon KDP, you can send me a message. Then I will teach you how you can make money in dollar using Amazon KDP. Then if you want a Canva Pro account as well, send me a message with a link on my channel, then I'll reply. I want you to be my friend on WhatsApp and I want you to chat me up immediately. But remember to like this video, share with your friends, and drop a nice comment if this is helpful. So go create your Cleva account with the link on the video I said about, or check the description of this video. You are going to see the link again. then follow it and create your Cleva account. I want it to be faster for you. All the best. Bye for now.